Welcome to DecimalChain YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn more about the Decimal Console in a complete guide explaining all our tools and utilities. To get started, you need to access your dashboard by going to console.decimalchain.com, or you can access it via our website DecimalChain.com. Click on the Get Started button and then log in to access your wallet. To do this, enter your seed phrase and click the Sign In button. If you don't have a wallet yet, watch our other video tutorial explaining step-by-step how to create a Decimal wallet. This video is here on our YouTube channel, or click the link here in the video description. So, enter your seed phrase and click the Sign In button. Okay, here is your Decimal wallet. So the first thing you need to know is that you have two wallet addresses. The address that starts D0 is the standard format for Decimal blockchain, and you can use it to make transactions within the Decimal network. If you click that button, you can see that the address changes to a 0x format. This standard can be used with multi-chain networks, and using it makes it easier to make transactions on dApps like Metamask or Trust Wallet compatible with EVM networks. Back to dashboard, are two options here, wallet or multi-sig wallet. The wallet option is if you want to use a wallet just for you, and multi-sig wallet is an option to create a shared wallet with two or more participants. Here below you can see all the coins and tokens you have in your wallet, and here on the side you can see all your NFTs. Below, a log that shows all the transactions you have ever made, either in general or those that were EVM compatible. Next to it there is a button to copy your wallet address, or you can use a QR code to share your wallet address. And if you want to create an additional wallet, click up here and then click ADD wallet. This way, a new wallet will be added to your account, and it can be managed using the same seed phrase as your main account. Continuing, here you can see how many DEL tokens you have in your wallet. And here is a Metamask button, so you can add the decimal chain to your Metamask. Click on the button and a message will appear asking you to authorize the decimal chain to be added to your Metamask. Click to confirm and that's it. Now the decimal chain is added to your Metamask. Okay, so I will show you how easy and quick it is to use DecimalChain. Below is the area for you to make transfers and send coins or tokens. I'm going to copy my wallet address to Metamask. And here in the console, I'm going to add the copied address. I'm going to select DEL token, and I'm going to send 2 tokens from my Decimal wallet to my Metamask. I click the send button, just review the transaction details and confirm. Ready? Now I'm going to open my Metamask and see I've already received the 2 tokens. Let's go to the menu and go to the next option, Convert. Here you can buy or sell any coin created on the Decimal chain. There is a large list with many coins, but be careful and always study a project before making any investment. Just for example, I will convert 2 DEL tokens into Masternodes. I click on Convert Coins and it's ready. Let's now see Crosschain. This is where you can send coins between different blockchains. You can send coins from DecimalChain directly to Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. I will send you 2 DEL tokens so you can see how easy it is. I choose Binance Smart Chain, enter the wallet address and click Create Swap. And that's it, I just made a cross-chain. Next option, Delegation. Here you can stake and receive rewards by delegating your coins to a chosen validator. This way, you receive monthly earnings while providing stable work for the network. If you click on Validator Address, you will be able to see a list of all available validators where you can delegate your coins. Choose which coin you want to deposit and how much, and then click Delegate. For example, I placed 90 DEL tokens for the DEL Swap validator. This has generated me approximately 7 DEL tokens in earnings so far. Returning to the menu, click on Masternodes. This is where you can create and run your own validator. This is an option that requires more advanced knowledge, so I suggest that you first read our material about Masternodes on our wiki page to better understand these activities. By clicking on Coin Issuing, this is where you can create your own coin or token. So in the first field, coin name, write the name of your coin. You can use up to 64 letters. Then in coin symbol, write an abbreviation for the name of your coin. This will be the ticket that will represent your coin. It must have a minimum of 3 letters and can have a maximum of 10 letters. Finally, you will need to create an icon for your coin. You can do this using the platform Gravatar.com. Click here in this link, then log in the website and upload an image to be your coin icon. Now go to Gravatar.com/website/check, and in the email checker option, enter your email you use to log in. Look below for email hash, copy this code, and then paste it here where it says enter hash. Click next, and a message may appear. It will show you what price you need to pay to create your currency, depending on how many letters you use as symbols. As I chose the word astronauts, which has 10 letters, so I need to pay 250 DEL tokens. Click Next. Now you need to inform the issuance quantity your coin will have at the beginning, and what will be the maximum amount of coins that can be issued. Here below, you must inform the amount of DL tokens you will provide as liquidity to start your coin. The minimum amount required is 1000 DEL tokens. Constant reserve ratio is a guarantee offered during purchase and sale transactions. If you set the value too low, your currency will suffer from a lot of volatility. But if you set 100%, your token will receive the full DEL price. I'm going to put 50% because I believe it's a good number for balance. Click Next. And here you can add a message to your coin. Then write something that relates to your value or goals. Click Create and review all data. Pay attention that for me to create this currency that we are creating, for example in the video, I am paying 1000 DEL reserve tokens plus 250 DEL tokens for the value of the symbol and fees. Click Confirm, and that's it. We just created a coin in less than 5 minutes. Here you can click on the link to check the transaction hash. It will show all the details of the creation of your currency, which are published directly on the blockchain. Back on the dashboard, by clicking here on My Coins and Tokens, you will be able to see your coin that was created. To finish, click on NFT. Here you can view and manage your NFTs. You can choose to send an NFT to someone else and see all their transactions. If you want to create an NFT, click Create NFT. First, you will need to fill in the information fields about your NFT. Choose a name for your NFT collection. Then enter a name for your NFT. Select a token that you have a balance in your wallet and what reserve value you want to allocate to the creation of your NFT. You also need to write a description explaining about your collection or your NFT. And lastly, enter the number of NFTs you want to create. Click on Next. And in this next step, select the file you want to transform into an NFT. Remember to look here to find out which file formats are acceptable and what maximum size is allowed per file. Select the file and adjust the image dimensions. Remember that you can only edit your image at this stage of NFT creation, but once your NFT is created, it can never be changed again. Click Next and choose whether you want to add new NFTs to your collection in the future. If you don't check this option, your collection will be restricted to just the image you just uploaded. In the option below, Private Token, you can define whether you want to leave some information private. For example, a public NFT will show all the on-chain data and its image will be public for everyone to see. If you check the Private Token option, your NFT will have hidden data and the image will not be publicly visible on-chain. Choose one of the options, click Next, and review the characteristics of your NFT. Here you can see the fee that will be paid upon creation of the NFT. Click Confirm and review the data, and then again, click Confirm. Finish. Your NFT has been created successfully. Here you can see the transaction hash. By clicking on this link, you can see all the information about your NFT. This hash will be publicly available on the DecimalChain blockchain for all users to access. And all the NFTs you create will appear in your control panel in the NFT section, where you can also see other details, such as transactions, sent or received, and also the Create NFT or Staking NFT option. If you choose to staking, you can use your NFT as a validator to receive rewards, which are paid in DEL tokens. You can also redelegate your NFT to another validator, or you can unbond to get your NFT back to your wallet. An important detail is that if you click on your NFT, you will have access to additional options, such as editing the token reserve, where you can add more tokens in reserve. You can also view the image in original quality or burn your NFT. And remember, if you burn your NFT, your DEL token reserve will return to your wallet. And finally, checks, which allows you to create or check for any user of the Decimal Chain. But remember that for Redeem Check, you need to know the password. This was our complete review, explaining in more detail about Decimal Console. You can also learn more about Decimal Chain by clicking Learn below. You will access a complete content guide explaining in detail everything about Decimal Blockchain. If you still have any questions, write them here in the comments, and see you in the next video.